Dude, look how good that looks. Ooh, y'all see that? That is dripping. Dripping. I'm not gonna eat the rind, but. You see the pineapple? Ooh, it's dripping. It has limon and.
That powder tastes good though.
But I'm not sponsoring it. I'm trying to sell you nothing. Does it taste? It does. It tastes real good. I think it's spicier. Does it taste? Okay, here goes the pepino. Somebody asked me for the pepino.
Ooh.
Okay, here goes the pickle. It's all at the top. Hold on.
That's a good idea, popcorn. I think my favorite is the pepino.
Look how cute.
Some water.
Here's the pepino. Okay, here's the Cheetos.
Aren't you supposed to be on a diet?
This starts tomorrow. Okay.